So we are a part of alliance, and it's a very strong alliance. We have delivered results, and just now Sanjay ji was inviting. I would have invited Narendra Modi ji to fight Wayanad and handfully lose. Forget Rahul Gandhi winning from 4.2 and 4.6 lakh vote. He should have fought against Kishori Lal ji and would have lost. And Amit Shah could have won against fought against Rakibul Hassan and he would have lost. So, if our politics is a matter of track record, then Rahul Gandhi has won from a huge margin of 4.3 and 4.6 lakh, but Narendra Modi ji could barely, and for some substantial hours, he was trailing in Varanasi from Ajay Rai, and Ajay Rai polled some 4 lakh vote. So that speaks a lot about declining popularity. 32% and 36% is
no,
there.
You know, Dr. Tripathi, trailing in the first two rounds, you and I both know, वो कौन सा डब्बा कहाँ का खुलता है, कब आप, मतलब, let's not get into that.
Just 4 lakh, Narendra Modi ji managing to save his seat is a big thing. Is the Pradhan Pracharak of Bharatiya Janata Party? All 543 seats was fought on his name, and he should have voted. They gave this.
I want to come in now.
Okay.
10 lakh par, ab ki baar 7 lakh ka margin, and he has won by nearly 1.5 lakh votes. That speaks volumes about the politics.
1,52,000 votes, a little over 52,000 as well. But okay, Sanju Verma, I know you want to come in, but also reflect if 2027, this alliance, which is highly organic, which is now clearly working, whether whatever PDA might mean to the BJP, but the message has translated to the ground. Many say it's only the Dalits. It's not quite true. If you look at the fine print, even on the OBCs, which are even non-Yadav OBCs, the alliance has been able to pull quite a sizable percentage of vote.
Preeti, I'm surprised and I'm appalled that Congress की प्रवक्ता यहाँ बैठकर, oh, Rahul Gandhi has won by more than 4 lakh margin from Wayanad, oh, Rahul Gandhi has won by more than 4 lakh margin from Raebareli. अरे मैडम, राहुल गांधी अभी भी विपक्ष के नेता हैं, प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी हैं, ये कड़वा सच का घूंट पी लीजिए, डाइजेस्ट कर लीजिए. Now let me come.
Ma'am, let's go one by one. No point interrupting.
Yes, I did not heckle her. I need my time. I have spoken about Uttar Pradesh. I told you it is a result which leaves a lot to be desired. But when you talk about Dalits and you talk about OBCs, Jatavs versus non-Jatavs, Bhumihars, Kurmis, I also want to say one thing. The 3 states of India with the highest tribal population, which are those? At the top is Chhattisgarh. Then the state with the highest tribal population is Madhya Pradesh, and the 3rd state with the highest tribal population in India is Odisha. और ये तीनों states जहाँ पर आदिवासी जनसंख्या,
Jharkhand, ma'am, Jharkhand, you forgotten. And
Preeti, can I finish?
Okay, ma'am, finish.
Do not heckle me like this.
Please
can
finish.
I finish, please? I was coming to that. The top 3 states, I repeat, Jharkhand falls to the 4th place. Preeti, let me finish. I know my data very well, better than anybody else. Top 3 states. छत्तीसगढ़, मध्य प्रदेश और ओडिशा में जहां आदिवासियों की जनसंख्या बहुमत में है या 25-30% से ज्यादा है, वहां पर सत्ता में आज कौन है? सत्ता में डबल इंजन सरकार है. यू वांट टू गिव क्रेडिट टू मोदी फॉर दैट? नो. अरुणाचल प्रदेश, अ बॉर्डर स्टेट, there we have a brute majority, more than a 2/3 majority. You want to give credit to Narendra Modi for that? आप कहेंगे नहीं. जिस पार्टी का गठन कांग्रेस का 1885 में हुआ था, लगभग 140 साल पूरे होने को आए आपकी पार्टी के गठन के बाद, 3 लोकसभा चुनाव में मिलकर भी आपकी टैली कितनी है? 195 सीट्स, 44 सीट्स in 2014, 52 सीट्स in 2019 and 99 सीट्स